I wanted to mention that I also just offer like straight rescue remedy as an option. If you're not interested in doing a flower essence consultation, but you're feeling like you need a little extra support, I can always sell rescue remedy separately. And just a reminder, rescue remedy helps us to calm down, come back to center, especially in like instances of like chaotic moments or stressful situations or traumatic things that happen. It helps us to calm down in a slow and gentle way and come back to center, and helps us to feel okay. So if you are interested in just purchasing rescue remedy on its own, I do just charge $15. So yeah, I think I always have rescue remedy on hand personally, because I always think it's something that's helpful to have for myself or for those around me as well.